You are in need of new flooring, but you also want to make sustainable choices that will be good for your home and your planet. Cork flooring does all of the above. Let's start at the tree. Cork is trimmed from the bark of the cork oak, which then grows back every 9 years without harming the plant or the surrounding environment. That trimmed cork bark is then cut up to make wine bottle stoppers, and then what's left is used to make this flooring, so nothing is wasted. Rock cork is naturally water-resistant, noise-reducing, antimicrobial, and comfy. This all makes for a next-level flooring experience with quieter, more comfortable rooms. Planks are also topped with a high-resistance finish, which helps to prevent scratches and the buildup of dirt, making the floors easier to clean. Plus, they're lightweight and click right into place. Great for fast DIY installations. Want to see for yourself? Order up some cork flooring samples today.